Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find saved email passwords in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go to account.microsoft.com. Now, if you're already logged in, it's going to go ahead and automatically log you in. As you can see, that's the case for me. Now, to view your password, one thing we need to take note of, Outlook does not display saved passwords in plain text. Most websites don't do this. You can only view, remove, or replace them in Windows tools. So basically, once we're here, we can go ahead and click on change password. And now it might try and sign you in, so you can sign in using other ways. So if you got you can sign in, use your face, fingerprint, pin, or security key, use your password, but you probably don't know that's you trying to find your safe password. Or you can sign in with your GitHub account. So I'm just going to use my face, fingerprint, etc. for this. So I'm going to choose my Android device and log myself in this way. Okay, so as you can see, I've just connected via my mobile device. So device, continue on your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in on my mobile device. Now I'm going to have to put in my fingerprint. So now I've done that. Now once you've signed in, this is where you can go ahead and change your password. So basically you can change your password here, and that's how you're going to obviously view your password at the same time. You got the option here to change your password every 72 days as well. So yeah, just go ahead and put in a new password and re-enter that password. And another way how you can sign or view your password, if you've got a password manager on like me, I'm using Google, we can go ahead and click on manage passwords. And now I'm inside my Google Password Manager, so we can scroll down here and look for Outlook or Live. So here it is here, Live. So I can go ahead and click onto that. I'm not going to obviously click into it because I don't want everyone to know my password. So you just go ahead and look for Outlook or Live. I'm pretty certain Live is the one you want to check. So click into that. Here it is here, that's my email, and here's my password. So I can go ahead and click onto view, and that's going to show me that password.